Transmission systems are integrated, ensuring seamless power delivery.
In the heart of precision engineering, the journey of the Ford Everest Titanium begins, where raw steel
Massive coils of high-grade steel arrive, the foundation of a machine built to dominate every terrain.
high-strength steel arrives, the foundation of unmatched durability.
Solid front and rear axles, built for true off-road dominance. Each engine begins as precision-crafted components. Hand-assembled, one engineer, one engine, pure performance. Advanced transmission systems deliver seamless power.
Robots fuse every joint. Micron-perfect welds, ensuring unmatched rigidity.
High-performance electric motors delivering instant torque with zero delay.
Advanced liquid cooling, stabilizing performance under extreme demand.
Single-speed transmission, optimized for seamless acceleration. Interior structure preed for luxury and control. Thousands of tons of pressure, shaping identity in a single strike.
Each panel crafted with flawless geometry, built to fit like a puzzle.
Robots move with surgical precision, welding strength into every joint. The body rises, a structure engineered for safety and performance. Purified and prepared, ready for its flawless finish. A hidden shield, protecting against time and corrosion. Inside the cabin, comfort and technology come to life.
See here on the schematic, this tolerance is critical. We can't afford any deviation on the linkage.
Understood. I'll use the laser alignment tool.
Power refined, translated into seamless motion.
The first heartbeat, machine comes alive.
Powertrain meets chassis. Strength meets intelligence. Steel transforms into the iconic G-Class silhouette.
Each door engineered for that unmistakable solid close. The body takes shape, bold, box, unmistakable. Protection begins beneath the surface, built to last decades. Layers of perfection begin with precision coating. Power electronics convert energy, controlling every pulse of performance. Thousands of connections, forming the nervous system of the Electrica.
Adaptive suspension, tuned for balance between comfort and control.
A nervous system of intelligence runs through the vehicle. Technology meets craftsmanship in every detail.
Side panels, roof frames, and floor structures are stamped under immense pressure, forming the Everest's signature body. Automated robots weld each joint. Over thousands of precision weld points lock the structure together.
The chassis frame is reinforced, engineered for durability, off-road strength, and long-term resilience. Laser-guided systems scan every weld, ensuring zero structural compromise. Electrocoating seals the body, protecting it from corrosion for years to come.
The bare metal body enters a chemical bath, to shy every impurity for perfect paint adhesion. Robotic sprayers glide in perfect harmony, applying primer with flawless consistency.
The heart of the Everest takes shape. A powerful turbocharged engine built for performance.
Transmission systems are integrated, ensuring seamless power delivery.
Brake systems are fitted, ensuring safety under every condition.
Brake systems are fitted, ensuring safety under every condition.
Fuel tanks and exhaust systems are mounted, completing the vehicle's core functionality.
Dashboard systems come alive, integrating digital displays and advanced controls.
Wiring harnesses are connected, powering every intelligent feature. Infotainment systems are embedded, delivering connectivity and control. Climate control units are installed, engineered for comfort in all environments. Doors, hood, and tailgate are attached, perfectly aligned with precision robotics. Headlights and taillights are installed, defining the Everest's bold presence.
The heart of the machine, securely integrated.
High-voltage systems tested for flawless operation. Simulated roads, testing durability and control. Final detailing, perfection in every surface.
Sealed against the elements. Built to endure. Alloy wheels are mounted, completing its powerful stance. Each Everest undergoes rigorous inspection, every detail examined.
Water testing chambers simulate heavy rain, ensuring zero leakage.
The finished SUV is carefully cleaned and wrapped, prepared for its journey to the world. Loaded onto
The Ford Everest Titanium. Built for adventure, engineered for excellence.
For urgency.
Even the scarpings are even like the start disappeared.
The sky becomes the highway.
Here are the keys to your brand new F-150. Congratulations.
Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you so much. I can't wait to drive it.
Across oceans, delivering Italian engineering worldwide.
Crossing oceans. Carrying precision engineering.
Electronic systems are fully tested, confirming flawless operation.
Loaded onto transport trucks, the Everest begins its journey beyond the factory walls.
Crossing oceans to reach global markets. Arriving at dealerships, the Everest Titanium stands